This is a story about one guy, me, 2 posts that I've had to build at least 3 times on the workshop, and 3 bears. Probably more than 3 bears. Quite a few bears. Now, every time I walk by the workshop, I look at those posts and I'm reminded of how they've gotten chewed up over and over again. The claw marks, even the small hairs stuck to the post. So I set up a trail camera, pointing at the posts, and I walked away, and I waited, and it wasn't long before this guy showed up right afterwards. And you know what happens every time, almost every time, I leave the workshop? Now, the bears don't always come alone. Sometimes they bring their families. Sometimes it's not even the bears, but their neighbors. Or sometimes lonely wanderers. And if there's a moral to this story, it's this. Thanks for watching.